Welcome to Silverleaf, one of the most iconic and prestigious gated communities in the world. Set against the majestic backdrop of the McDowell Mountains and Silverleaf's vibrant emerald greens, you'll find spectacular estate sites designed for homes of a lifetime. One home site created for a house worthy of calling extraordinary is found here in Silverleaf's Upper Canyon. Homesite 1721 offers a premium location with some of the most breathtaking views of Scottsdale. Set on 1.93 acres, Homesite 1721's premier setting and generous building envelope present a place to build your custom dream home looking out over mountain and city light scenes stretching all the way to downtown Phoenix. In addition to being tucked away high in Upper Canyon on a quiet street, the protection of the McDowell Mountain Preserve behind this beautiful home site ensures both peace and privacy. Choosing to call Silverleaf home also includes the opportunity, upon membership invitation acceptance and due fulfillment, to enjoy the world-class amenities the Silverleaf Club is known for. The 50,000 square foot clubhouse offering 5-star amenities and the signature Tom Weiskopf Championship Golf Course makes Silverleaf a top choice for those looking for Arizona's ultimate luxury resort lifestyle. It can all be yours from Homesite 1721. To find out more or see additional available Silverleaf home sites, contact Todd Moen of the Moen Group at 480-315-0991 or visit themoengroup.com.